Out with the old,
in with the new, kind of. Hey guys, you know what we've been through with the 6-door, okay? I think everybody does. What I'd like you to do, Derek, is show them what we've done with the new 6-door to be.
So, of course, big tall trucks is what Brad likes. Got the KG1 forged wheels, Fury tires. FASS Fabrication designed all the suspension for this. Got a custom 4-link in the front, FASS Fab traction bars in the rear, and it's about an 8-inch lift on it. All right, so the ultimate goal for this truck was to be able to haul your boat.
Yes.
Be able to go to shows.
Sell my toys.
Yeah, toys.
The Bronco, the Jeep.
Tow everything, and be a reliable daily driver.
Yes. And haul all the kids. I'm gonna take it up to stretch my truck, and they're gonna make it into a 6-door. Well, they're gonna be able to build this truck without all the character defects as this one.
All right, so for shocks, we went with Icon with the electronic valving in them. Springs, we went BDS springs. They're always a great ride.
Now the shocks, am I gonna be able to use my phone? You
can use your iPhone to adjust how your valving is for towing, off-road, and just normal driving. We went with Gridiron, good friend of ours in Canada.
Right.
So Gridiron tied everything together. We got nice Diode Dynamics lights, keep you lit up all the way around.
Okay, and we have more going in here, right?
We do have more going in there. We have 5-inch lights going up front.
Okay, like that you put on my Bronco?
Yeah, that you put on Bronco.
Serious?
So you can see forever. So also you like lighting. Obviously you like to see ahead. We're gonna let you see underneath. So to see all the suspension, everything else we've done underneath and Spencer himself has done, you have more rock lights underneath this from Diode Dynamics than I think any vehicle has on any vehicle on the road.
And guys, I don't use my bright lights up front and my running lights and all that when I have someone coming the other way. Please turn them off.
So to give this thing with the cleanest fuel, you know, coming from you.
Yes, it has to be.
It has to be clean. So we did the drop in, we did the disc heater and both probes, because you just said yourself, Missouri, you never know what kind of temperature you're gonna be.
I really like the drop in. We're gonna switch it out, okay? I always want bigger, better, badder. So we're gonna
overkill,
go with
right?
Overkill.
Overkill.
Okay. And yes, the drop-in series is great, but I want the 1,000,000-mile motor. I want that life, I want that torque, because of where I'm gonna be going with this truck. I want that torque to be able to pump that gelling fuel and the heaters to be able to heat it up. So we're gonna go with the overkill. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do the O-ring Boss fittings. We're gonna add the plus to it. Let's do the sump, but we're gonna use stainless steel lines. Oh, okay, the sound on this thing, you will never beat the sound on this thing. The quality, Justin at Waves and Wheels provided us with the Blue Wave audio, and there's 4 amps in there. All the speakers are carbon fiber, and this thing just, it's loud, but it's crystal clear. And I've had this on my side-by-side, my R8, the 07 back there. And guys, we can't play this to show you the sound because you're on your speakers, but you can put those carbon fiber speakers in from Justin at Waves and Wheels, and it's intense. I never knew that I had an ear for audio until he put it in, and now I can hear it in others. I just want to give a shout out to Greg Brinker at Brinker Audio Solutions. As he helped us out with a lot of our vehicles. He helped us out with this truck also. So just want to do a shout out to him because he does great work and he's an honest man.
It is clear, crystal clear. And in your boat too, your boat.
The steering wheel on this thing is cool.
Yeah, steering wheel's super wild.
Take a look at this.
LED Tech in Florida, they hooked them up with this carbon fiber wheel, but the center airbag is a nice touch, Alcantara, and got that blue stitching in there for the Motorsports side.
I love these washers. Now for the fun adventure. You guys got to figure out where I'm going. Mitch, that's behind the camera, is going with me. We have a 2-3 week trip kind of planned. And I'm not going to tell you where we're going to go because I think you're going to join us on some Facebook Live. Is that right? But I'm going to give you let's talk about what we're going to do this truck, okay? Without giving it away.
Yeah.
We're gonna have 3 tanks in the bed of the truck. We have a 65-gallon tank down below. We're gonna have 300 gallons in the bed, right?
300 gallons.
Yep, we're just gonna strap those tanks down, some ratchet straps. And we're gonna have a FASS in the back also. That FASS is gonna have all 3 heaters on it, and so is the one down below. We're gonna be running straight #2 fuel for most of the trip. But if I get in some trouble, we're gonna burn one of those tanks up and then the fuel in it, and then we're gonna put some blended fuel in that tank. We're gonna always have it ready to go, just in case. But we're gonna go on an adventure, and we'd like you to join us. But we're gonna be doing some stuff where we have all kinds of survival equipment that we're taking with us, and we're taking Mitch and his camera.
What do you mean survival equipment?
I wanna survive.
Is it gonna be bad?
I hope not.
Okay, well, I guess they're gonna survive. So a lot of people see all the trucks we do on social media, and we're glad we got to do yours. So also, if you're looking to have anything done from mild to wild, from bolt-ons to full builds, you let us know what you're looking for and we will get that truck set up for you. And with Spencer's help, have the coolest fab parts on the road.